Hello guys, it's Esther and I will be showing you how to draw a teenage snowman. So we're going to start with an oval for the head and then kind of like a gummy on the bottom. It's kind of like a circle but a flat bottom. Okay, and now we will go over with the marker and we are going to make two little circles and then connect the sides with a little rectangle and then do the same to the other side but a smaller one. Then we're going to make lines go down for the scarf and then a bunch of little lines for the sign. Okay, now let's do the shape of the bottom and we're going to do just the sides, not the bottom, because we are going to make a line, a squiggly line, and then the little buttons. You can add as many buttons or however whatever shape you want them, and then the squiggly for the snow. And then for the head we're gonna draw his little hat, so we can draw a curve and then a bubbly curve around it, and then we are gonna draw his eyes kind of popping out on the bottom of the hat. Then we do his smile. And so for the top of the hat, we're going to draw kind of like a triangle. Bring it further down, passing the hat, and then making the little fluff ball, little pom-pom. Okay, and then just finish the face. And then add the little nose. Now add the arms. You can draw them big or small, and that's snowman. Thank you so much for watching the video, and feel free to check the rest of my Christmas videos or any other playlist. Thank you.